Hi, I'm Chad Wilson with Willis Nissan here in beautiful Des Moines, Iowa. Proud to show you the 5-star crash test rated, luxurious Nissan Murano. The Murano starts for the 2023 year under $34,000 and is available in 4 trim levels. There's surely one to fit you and your needs. The Murano is front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, you can choose. And if you select all-wheel drive, it chooses when to go in and out of all-wheel drive automatically, leaving the guesswork up to the computer. This is an SUV, so the utility part of it will not let you down. It opens up a tremendous amount of usable cargo space. Row 2, awfully comfortable because you can adjust the amount of recline for your passengers or lay that down for a flat loading surface. Let's take a quick look at the interior features of the 23 Murano. Welcome to the interior of the richly appointed 2023 Nissan Murano. Murano is really a Maxima. Sits on a Maxima platform, powered by a Maxima engine, with more utility and certainly availability of all-wheel drive. The fit and finish and quality materials are top-notch, on par with luxury vehicles many thousands more. Available equipment like heated seats for row 2 is available, panoramic sunroof, digital Bose audio system custom tuned for this interior. Dual climate is standard, and tied into that is Nissan's intelligent remote start system. You can use your remote start and your interior will automatically be set at 72 to cool it or warm it accordingly. Thank you for taking your valuable time to view the interior and exterior of the Nissan Murano. You can come drive the 23 Murano or any of our exciting products at 4770 Merle Hay Road right here in Des Moines, or shop anytime virtually at willisnissan.com. Thank you.